Hey guys, so the interesting thing is that I've been on YouTube for just about a year right now, and I got basically all these gifts for Christmas from you guys, and I want to say thank you. So what we're going to be doing in this video, we're going to be looking at the PS5, the iPhone 12, everything that I have right here right now. And we're going to unbox it and see what's inside, right? So I'm very thankful to you guys, and I want to let you guys know you are not sending me any gifts. I am still accepting gifts, right? I'm still accepting gifts. So if you have anything to give to me, let me know. Just send me an email and I'll send you an address to forward it, right? So yeah, thank you. So okay, so this is an Anker wireless charger device, right? It charges two devices at once. So of course it's gonna charge my watch and my phone at the same time. I use an S20 Plus. And somebody sent me this invisible shield, ultra clear. That's a glass, what's it called, the screen for my phone, S20 Plus, right? So let's open this first, but I'm not going to be fixing it because the last time I tried fixing one, I didn't do a good job. So I'll probably go down the road and get one of those guys that do it to actually go fix it for me. So I believe this is, somebody sent this from the UK, and I want to say a very big thank you to all my viewers out there in the UK. I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. Opening this, okay. So I'm just going to open this right now and let's see what's inside. So okay, so this is nice. See this. So this is nice, and so this is nice. This is it right here. So I'm just gonna open it and let's see what's inside. So it's basically a screen for my phone, right? It's basically a screen for my phone. This right here. So just put it on my phone and here. So I guess I'm going to fix it for me. This is one. So I'm just going to drop it right here. Then what's the second thing? This Anker charger device, right? This charger device, a wireless charger device. So I'm just going to open this one also. And so I have a razor blade, so I'm just going to tear this open. How do I do that? Right here. So I tear it open carefully. Okay. Okay. So I tear this open. Okay. So this is open. Open. Oh wow! I love this. I love this. Wow! This is so nice. I love this. So somebody sent this. This is Anker. Yeah, this was sent from another from the UK. I just like this UK guys love me so much, right? Somebody forwarded this to me from the UK, and I am so happy. So this is the wireless charging device. So probably I just place my phone on it and it starts charging. While I plug this is amazing. This is awesome. I so fucking love this. So this is what it looks like. Nice, right? So I can place my watch right here and it's charging, and I can put my phone right here and two of them are charging at the same time. I love this. I love this. So yeah. So I want to say a very big thank you to you that sent this. I want to say thank you to you. All the charging cables and everything is right here. Everything is complete. So it has the device itself. There is a manual, right, on how to use it, and there is a charger, right? There's a charger to plug it and actually start charging and all that. So now I can really charge my phone without having to actually plug it into like direct. So just place it right here. And my phone is charging. So I love this. I love this. So what's next on the list? Let's look at what's next on the list. So this is an iPhone 12. I actually bought this myself, but it's a gift for my younger sister. So I'm not gonna. She'll be unlocking this one or unboxing it herself. So I'm not gonna unbox it. And somebody bought me a shoe, right? And I love this shoe. I love this. I don't know. I am in love with ankle shoes like this. So as this person actually read my mind. And the other thing is that it's a bit smaller. It's a size 9, right? But I had to remove the foam inside for it to my leg because I really love it. That is why I'm not giving it out. I'm going to be using it. So thank you for the person that bought this, right? I saw the price tag was about 50 something pounds, and that's a lot of money. So thank you very much for this shoe. And yeah, some other person sent this, right? The Nigerian right here, so I think you sent this from Lagos, and I want to say a very big thank you to you. This is basically an earpod, the Bean Buds Live, right, for my Samsung phone. So I can basically use it to, like hands-free earpiece sort of. So I'm just going to open this. Let's see what's inside. I need to open this also. So I'm opening here. Okay, open this. So yeah. Oh wow, this is so nice. Okay, this is the manual. It has like a manual. right? And this is the charger. This is the charging cable. You know, and this is the device itself. Wow. But let's see what's inside really. Okay, so I'm just gonna. Oh wow! Look at this, guys. Right? This is so nice. I so love this. Oh wow! This is so cool. Yeah, and it fits perfectly in the ear. I so love this. I so love this. Oh, thank you and God bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much for this. I love this. I love this. I love this. So I'm just going to connect to my phone and start using it. So thank you so much for this Samsung Bud Live. I think that's the one I love most. And okay, somebody sent this PS5. Somebody sent this PS5, right? It's the one that has a disc. Apparently it has a disc, you know, and an extra pad, right? So because I think it comes with just one pad. So you sent this and you sent this, and I want to say a very big thank you to you. So let's look at what's inside. So I'm just going to open this pad first, right? It's just going to be a controller, I guess. So we'll just open it right here, and okay. Wow, it's white. I love this. I love this. Wow, wow, this is so cool, right? And you know, it feels good. The grip is just awesome. You know, it has this matte finishing. It's not like polished, and the matte makes it firm, as in like you can just hold it comfortably, right? So and yeah, I love this. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you. If you still want to give me a car, of course, I'm very interested. I would want a Mercedes-Benz C400. It's okay, right? I would appreciate that, and I'll be very happy. So finally to the PS5. Let's open this up and see what's inside this big box. You know, so I'm just going to okay, cut this open carefully. Cut this open carefully, and throw the box open. You know, so yep. And okay, so let's open the box. Okay, wow, this is heavy. I hope I'm not going to drop this. Okay, so this comes out first. So let's see. Oh, okay. There's a pad. There's a controller, just like the extra one. There's a cable, right? And of course the manual. There's something else here. Let's see what this is. Okay, I think this is the standing pad. I think I'm not using it before. This is my first time. And there's an HDMI cable in here. So yeah. I love this. So I'm just gonna drop this. So while we try to get you to the big boy. Oh, this is the big boy right here. I'm just gonna pull it out. Wow. Here it is. I finally have a PS5. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Wow. I love this. 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 Wow. I love this. Right? Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice, man. Wow. Right? Finally have a PS5. And it's the one that has the disc. It's not the digital edition. But it's actually more expensive. You know, so for the person that sends this, you actually went out of your way to do this, and I want to make you guys a promise that I will keep dropping value on this channel, right? Next year is going to be an awesome year for us. You know, so everything that I know, everything that I'm learning right now, you know, that I'm going to practicalize, that once it works, I'm going to come to this channel and show you exactly how I did it, so that I can do the exact same thing, you know, the way, right? Which is basically what I do on this channel from day one. So thank you very much, and if you still want to send me gifts, just let me know through my email. I'm going to send you my address so you can forward your gifts to me, right? So thank you, and keep winning, guys.